In this lesson, I want to talk to you about what a complex fraction is, and I want to show you how you simplify it, okay? So here's some examples of some complex fractions. Complex fraction has a fraction or numbers within another fraction. So if you look at this one, I have a longer horizontal line here separating my numerator and my denominator, and that's why it's called complex. Most of the time in English, complex means two or more something. So within this one, I have two or more operations within a fraction, because remember that a fraction means division itself. Here's how I'm going to deal with this complex fraction. I'm going to always take this numerator and divide by the denominator, because in mathematics you don't ever want to leave a complex fraction just sitting there. You want to simplify it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, all right, I've got a numerator which is 1/2, and I'm going to divide that by 1/3, and then I'm just going to divide that out, and I'm going to remember that the division algorithm for fractions is that it's same, change, flip, or multiply by the reciprocal. I'm going to rewrite this as 1/2 times, I'm going to flip that over to its reciprocal, then I'm going to multiply straight across, and that gives me 3/2, and that's it. I'm finished. You could even rewrite that as 1 1/2 if you wanted to. All right. Let's look at our second one. Our second one has a whole number in the numerator and a fraction in the denominator. Still, I want to simplify it by using what I know about the idea of a fraction being numerator divided by denominator. I'm going to write this one out as 5 divided by 2/3. And I'm going to use my algorithm. I'm going to say 5, I'm going to make that become a fraction. 5/1 multiplied by, I'm going to do the reciprocal of 2/3, which becomes 3/2. Multiplying fractions go straight across, 15/2. I can leave it that way, or I could rewrite that as 2 goes into 15 how many times? 7 times, because 7 times 2 is 14. I have 1 left over. These are equivalent values. There it is. That's how you deal with a complex fraction.